Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike for Adults Q20 is an impressive blend of power and versatility, designed for both commuting and recreational riding. With a robust motor offering options of 2000W and 1500W, this e-bike accelerates smoothly, reaching speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. The efficient 52V 40AH and 48V 20AH battery options provide a remarkable range of 30 to 180 miles on a single charge, making long-distance travels feasible without the anxiety of running out of power. One of the standout features of the Q20 is its design, which balances rugged aesthetics with functionality. The sturdy frame feels durable yet lightweight, enhancing maneuverability. It comfortably accommodates various rider sizes, offering an adjustable seat and handlebars that cater to individual preferences. The large, puncture-resistant tires provide excellent traction and stability, essential for both urban environments and off-road adventures. The bike includes a comprehensive LCD display that clearly shows speed, battery level, and distance traveled, ensuring riders can easily monitor their performance. The multiple pedal assist levels allow for a customizable riding experience, catering to both novice and experienced cyclists. When you need to conserve battery or get a workout, simply switch to pedal mode. Braking is another highlight, with hydraulic disc brakes that deliver responsive stopping power, even at higher speeds. Safety is further enhanced with integrated lights for visibility during nighttime rides. While the assembly required may be a bit daunting, the instructions are clear, and the process is manageable for someone with basic mechanical skills. However, some riders may find the bike to be on the heavier side, particularly when fully loaded with the battery. Overall, the Q20 electric bike offers exceptional performance, range, and comfort for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. It stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking an efficient and exhilarating mode of transportation. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, this e-bike delivers impressive value and performance.